Today I want to show you a quick demonstration of the dividend tracking app. The easiest way to get access to it is from my portfolio. There is a tab called Test where you will find short instructions of how you can operate on the app from the digital experience side, like an external user. On the top of the page, there is a link to the app. So once you click on the link, you can either sign up or log in into the app if you are already signed up. First thing you will see is the home page with all objects that you have access to and tab for add investment, which is related to the flow with the easiest way to add an investment. You can start by typing the ticker symbol of the investment that you want to make. After that, you can select your account. In that case, it will be partner because you are using the partner community user and your only option is partner. Your contact name will automatically populate in the field for contact and it will be related to your user that was just created by signing up in the app. Next step, you have to select either ETF or stock depending on the investment you want to make. After you're done with this, you just press next on the screen and it will move you to the next screen where you are able to input how many stocks you just want to input, the purchase price, and the purchase date. Stock name will automatically populate in the field, and the position name, which is created by formula, will be just visualized. You cannot change it. Again, you have to press next so you can confirm. After that, you just see the last screen of the flow that your investment was successfully created. Once you're done with creating the investment, you can go and check if it already exists in the list of investments. So once you look for it, you will see the newly created record. You can select it, clicking on the investment name, and you will see details about that investment. You can see the purchase price, purchase date, quantity, position name, which was automatically created to follow the naming convention of the app. You can also check in the position object that there was a position created as well. You can see the ticker symbol, the stock name, some of the quantity that you already have. Let's say you have 2 investments to add up to your position of the current stock. And here you can also update the stock price with the current price of the stock. Just select update stock price from the menu. Fill in the ticker name, press next. You will see the price, and if you press next one more time, it will update the price for you. If you want to create a new dividend payment, you can do that from the positions list view. You just need to press the button new dividend payment, but first you have to select the exact position that you want. Once you do that, you can input the amount of the dividend that was paid, select the stock name and the date of the dividend. You can just press save and go back and check the details of the position, and in the related tab there is a list with all dividend payments that were made. Select the higher number of them, the last one that we just, and there is all information. Go to the stocks object. You'll see the list of all the stocks that were created by you or by other users. Access to all of them. Now I'm looking for one that doesn't have price in the field of price, so I can show you how you can update the stock price. If you select that stock, there is a button update stock price. Once you press it, you already have the ticker symbol of the current record. Press next and the price is updated. I will show you one more time for another. This time it will be ETF type. You can see that it works for both stocks and ETF. The ETF name, as you can see, the price is 18.7, and once you update the stock price, it changes to 17.90. Now you have the current price. Next, I will show you the reports that you can check and track your dividend payments. If you select the Reports tab in the menu, you will see a list of all available reports that you have access to. First, we will check the dividend payments by date. This report also has a chart added to it, and you can see all dividend payments grouped by the stock name and by the date of the dividend payment. Let's say for Agree Reality, you have 3 payments on a different dates, and you can see a bar chart all of them. Next one, you have another stock, all the dates that dividend payments were input for. Boards, you can see the total of the dividend payments made for the every stock that you have created dividends payment for. Basically, in this report, you have all your positions grouped by the stock name and by the date of the dividend payment. Next one, I will show you the report that you can check your total profit loss for all positions that you have. So for every position, you have a bar chart that is showing you the sum of the investment amount, sum of the profit loss per the position based on the current price of the stock, the sum of the total dividend paid, and your total profit loss after all of that. Again, this report is grouped by your position, by your stock name, both the quantity that you have, some of the investment amount that you made, current stock price, current valuation, which is a formula multiplying the stock price by the amount, quantity that you have. There are fields for the profit loss for the position, total dividend paid, and for the total, like a result of your investment minus or plus your lost profit and plus your dividend payments. You can know how much money you have made from the amount that you invest. Next report that I will show you is dividend payments by stock. So here you can see how much dividend you receive from every single stock that you have. In these reports, they're grouped by stock name. There is a list of the investments of that stock and the total amount of dividend paid for that. Last thing that I want to show you is the partners dashboard that I have created. And here are some charts representing all of the reports that we already talked about. Some of them are the same report, but just representing in a different kind of chart for better visualization. Thank you so much for watching this demo.